are pleased to show you the 2009 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, quad seating, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, MP3 playback stereo. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.